Hi guys! Today we will be making 7-Up biscuits. I found this recipe on Pinterest, never tried it. I thought it was interesting because it had the ingredient 7-Up. So let's begin! You'll need 2 cups of Bisquick, add it to the bowl, and then half a cup of sour cream. Add it to the bowl, and then you're going to mix it. Next, you'll add half a cup of 7-Up and then mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And after you're finished mixing it, you're going to add 1/4 of melted butter into this pan, and then you're going to flour the surface and put the dough onto the floured surface. And then you're going to mix everything very well by kneading it, and then you're going to separate it into 9 pieces, or you can make your bread smaller. Then you want the dough to be a perfect size ball. You can shape it by rolling it, or you can just leave it how I left it. It's not that perfect, but it's okay, it worked for me. Then before you place your dough into the pan, you're going to coat the bottom and the top of the dough like so. And then you're going to pop into the oven for 450 degrees Fahrenheit from 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it. It's really easy. So this biscuit recipe was really good. I don't know if I was hungry, but it was just perfect. One of the best biscuits I've ever tasted. You guys gotta try this. It's really simple and really easy to make. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any recipes that you would like me to try from Pinterest, let me know by commenting on the bottom. Bye guys! Click to subscribe for more awesome recipes, like and share with your friends, and watch more of my yummy awesome videos.